I would like to invite the next speaker on stage, Mr. Nirmal Bhagwat, Manager Application Engineering, Lord India Private Limited, and the topic will be Parker Lord Solutions for Solar India. So can we have you on stage with the usual applause, everyone?
Yeah. Good afternoon, everyone. So my name is Nirmal Bhagwat. I am representing Parker Lord India Private Limited. We are into different kind of product lines which we will discuss here. And today's my main topic is focus is about our Parker Lord solution for solar rooftops. So what we offer, we will just go there. So Parker Hannifin is a very big group with almost 16 billion revenue. We have been across the globe, and we have a lot of different segments altogether we are working for. Like you can see, hydraulics, pneumatic division, electrical division. I work for basically EMG division. So in EMG division, we have another division which is called as LOD. And in LOD, basically, we have three sub-segments where one of the segment is like EPM, Elastomer Process Lining Division, then APS, to which I belong, like Assembly Protection Solutions, and NVH, that is Noise and Vibration. So you can see Parker Lord has a global presence across the world. We have more than 3,200 people working across the globe for Lord India. And if you consider Parker, more than 60,000 people working across the globe. We have 19 manufacturing facilities across all over the world. These are some major segments where we are catering our products, like automotive segment, industrial. Lord brand is very well known in automotive segment, actually. So these are some automotive solutions what we are offering for, like weather strips, then automotive repair adhesives, thermal management material, then in-mold bonding, MR fluids. So a lot of different technologies we are offering for automotive industry. These are some electrification solutions also. So we have a stall in our EV show also. We have one stall. So you can visit that stall also. So these are some automotive solutions where we are getting like electric vehicle. You might have heard about electric Riva, where all plastic panels are getting bonded using our adhesive without any screwing or riveting. Then hem flange bonding like Jeep Compass. All closure panels are basically bonded using our solution without any welding or screwing. These are some of our major customers. What you can see, lot of automotive OEMs, then Bridgestone, Caterpillar, Chrysler, highway vehicles. So many customers you can see here. Some of them are here. So this is our factory in Nasik, where I am sitting, and that is our technology center in Nasik. We are ISO TS certified. So here comes for what today I am for, like solutions for solar panel mounting bonding. So all of us know that India falls in very sunny tropical region where a lot of potential is there to utilize solar energy to convert it into electrical energy. So these are conventional methods where traditionally we use like screwing, riveting, or even pop rivets, and some rubber gaskets and sealants to basically mount the panels on which panels are mounted. These are the mounting structures. So basically, these are all requirements what any EPC contractor for that matter will require, like, zero leakages, then corrosion resistance, temperature resistance, UV resistance, since it will be always in sunny weather, then high wind speed sustainability like 200 kilometers per hour, then zero maintenance and also high strength basically. So if you are going to use our Parker Law solution, what benefits you are going to have? So it eliminates total drilling procedure. So there is no drilling directly. You can bond the mounting brackets using our solution. So you get very high strength. Metal roof remains intact since no drilling is there. So your warranty remains intact. No leakages since we are not drilling holes. Then reduce your operational time. In 1 hour of application, you can install the panel. So we have such products where in one day we have completed almost 300 or 350 kilowatt projects in one day. So very faster installation and improves aesthetics. So this is how we started in way back in 2014-15, where initially we tried this adhesive in our laboratory. And this is the pull-out testing what we done. You can see the load what we are getting, 800 kg, 1200 kg. You can see the panel, roof panel is getting distorted, but there is no debonding. So this was our first project of 6 kilowatt in Ambikapur, Chhattisgarh, which was a very rural area. And this was done way back in 2015. And from that, there is no complaint. And after that, we have completed more than 860 megawatt projects across India. So this is the solution, basically, what we are offering for bonding these mounting brackets over rooftop. LOD 810 accelerator 20. Basically, any metal-to-metal bonding, like aluminum brackets or aluminum short rails, mono rails, could be bonded on the rooftop using this solution. So beauty of this product is basically elongation. You can see 190% elongation, which basically gives you not only high strength, but also shock absorbing capability. Because of this elongation, this is very, what I can say, flexible. So it has very good capacity to withstand in high wind loads like 200 kilometers per hour. And it has been tested and trusted from last 7-8 years and certified by IIT Bombay. So this is the IIT Bombay certification where we have done a lot of testing like corrosion resistance, like salt spray, then wind analysis, UV resistance, temperature, because temperature delta will be always higher in some area, like in a day, it may vary from -10 to 50 degree, right? So our adhesive has to withstand in such conditions and also in high wind conditions. So we have tested this adhesive at IIT Bombay and they have certified this adhesive for 25 years of life. So this is basically adhesive what initially we have done lab testing. You can see here, small video where basically roof cutout is there. We are pulling it out. And that is mounting bracket over which basically panel is installed. So we are trying to pull it out. You can see now roof panel is getting distorted. So basically this is because of the high elongation of our product, where it allows that bracket to deform. If your adhesive is very rigid, then it may crack. It will immediately develop cracks. But being 190% elongation in the product, it allows that bracket to deform, and that bracket is getting cracked, but bonding remain intact. So it has developed more than 470 kg. So what you are actually got is the load of that bracket when it got cracked. The actual strength will be higher than this because bonding is still intact. Then this is again some testing where we have done at what site. And this is very crude way of testing actually, where we tried to debond, the customer tried to debond it actually with metal rod, a metal angle. You can see that metal angle is getting bent, but there is no debonding. So you can imagine how strong that bond is. See, almost 90-degree bend in the metal, but bonding remained intact. This is again, as we are also in the solution provider for non-penetrating solutions. So there are different solutions available in the market. So this is just comparison with some double-sided tapes. So in one or two kicks, basically double-sided tapes, it has just got debonded. And this one is the with Parker rod solution. Now next one.
This is anodized, huh?
हाँ that is हाँ
इसका देखो anodized है ना,
हाँ
so bonding नहीं है इसके साथ.
So very high strength adhesive. So again, this is not what we can say a standard test method, but customer do like this only.
4 हो गया.
So even after having so many kicks, you can see now roof has started deforming, but bonding remain intact.
वो साइड से
Then this is one case where some of our customer came to us, where he found that the roof thickness was very slow, very minute, like 0.3 mm only thickness was. And he was worried whether adhesive can give high strength over such 0.3 mm thickness. So you can see they came to our laboratory in Nasik. We have this testing facility available in Nasik, where we can do tensile pull off there. It has already got more than 500 kg. You can see now. The roof has started distorting where it has been bolted, but the bonding is intact. You can see that rod is also getting bended. Already crossed more than 600 kg. So on that 0.3 mm thickness of roof also, it has produced more than 600 kg or 700 kg load. And still, you can see bonding joint is intact. The roof has given, it has crossed more than 700 kg. So you can see roof has given off, teared off from where it has been bolted. So actual strength will be higher than this 700. So this is again one testing on actual site. That was done on like on some roof cutout, but this is on actual site. What customer tried, they bonded those plates on the crest with our adhesive and then tried to pull it off. Now that was with welding. So welding also has failed there, but that metal plate which is bonded with our adhesive over the crest, that remains intact. So you can understand how strong bonding it can generate. So these are some of the sites what we have done so far from 2015 till date. This is automotive company in Ranjangaon. This is basically Fiat, 1.3 megawatt. So here I am just showing these photographs just to understand because different EPC contractors, they have asked whether you can work on angle surface because there will be roof angle will be there. So whether adhesive can withstand on such angle surface also. So you can see a lot of photographs with different angles where we have already worked with 16 or 18 degree angles also, angle roof. Because this adhesive is having non-sagging properties. When you bond it, it will not sag off. It will remain there. So you can see a lot of automotive companies and pharma companies projects are there because they don't allow a single drop to be penetrated beyond their roof. Because a single drop that will damage their all robotics which are machineries are there below the roof. So they don't allow penetration as such. So many automotive and pharmaceutical companies are there which normally prefer such non-penetrating solutions. So this is the project of 500 kilowatt. Half the project was done with riveting in the month of May in 2018-19. And with the first train, basically it started leaking. So they came to us and asked whether we can provide some solution. So in just 1.5 days, we again have done 500 kilowatt with our solution. And till then, it's working fine. Just 1 or 2 minutes. Yeah. So these are some sites basically where we have worked Across India, you can see the angle and different kind of brackets also. This is the site where the roof was very thin, only 0.3 micron. So we have not worked only in India, but globally also we have worked in Southeast Asian countries, like in Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bangladesh. So we have done a lot of projects where all the bonding is done with our solution, like walkways, cable trays, or even arresters, earth arresters. Everything is getting bonded with our solution. See, everything basically bonded using our solution. So wherever you find that metal to metal has to be bonded or welded or something, you can use our solution. These are FRP walkways. Those also can be bonded. This is one Sri Lanka site which we completed in just one day, a 350 kilowatt. We started at 8 a.m. and finished at 4:30. 350 kilowatt in just one day. Because immediately after 1 hour, you can start installing the panels. So this is in Oman, Middle East, 2 megawatt, which we completed during the pandemic 2019-20. Just over the phone call, we basically has done this call with video call. So no rocket science, very easy to do. So that's how basically we are able to complete so many projects across the India. So we have other solutions also available for basically household projects, where concrete to concrete or concrete to metal bonding is also possible with our solution. So we have done so far 861 megawatt projects across India and more than 2,700 sites all over India. So as I said, these are some other applications like cable trays, walkways, then lightning arresters, metal clamps. This is without adhesive, with bolting. And this is with our solution. So this is basically an application for solar tracker, where solar trackers basically directly bonded on the roof, not roof basically, the panel itself. Instead of screwing or riveting or drilling hole to the panel, because of that your warranty goes off. You can directly bond those brackets with the panel by using our adhesive solution. So these are again basically some project on glass surface, toughen glass to metal. So that bonding is also possible with our solution. This is basically for strengthening the structure, where basically ground mounted solar application, where to give the strength to the structures, basically this adhesive can bond very easily. So these are just photographs or sites. This is basically for concrete to metal bonding, where you will find more than 500 kg generate, and also with the failure of concrete, it will take out the concrete layer itself. This is last. So it has generated more than 560 kg, and you can see the concrete layer has come out. Yeah. So these are some projects for concrete roofs. So if you have any query, you can call us or email us on these numbers. Thank you.